Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing great. I hope you're having a good day. I'm having a pretty good day. I'm in the middle of doing a wear test right now, so you might be able to recognize this makeup, but I figured since I have my makeup done and I usually don't like look this good and presentable all the time, figured let's do another video. I haven't done a Jenny video or non-makeup video in so long. It feels a little weird to be sitting here and like talking and not doing my makeup, but I wanted to do like a kind of haul video. I got a bunch of really cute stuff from the 99-cent store because they officially have Halloween stuff. Apparently they got Halloween stuff like in the middle of August, maybe even early August, because I called before, you know, if I'm gonna go to the 99-cent store, like they better have the Halloween stuff out, because I know Target kind of lags. They wait until like the end of August or like early September to put out their Halloween shit, and it's like, really, dude? So anyway, I got a bunch of stuff from the 99-cent store, and it was a good haul, so I wanted to share it with you guys and show you some of the cute stuff that they have in the Halloween section right now at the 99-cent store. Let's jump into it. A lot of this stuff I got like for my background, so I'm really excited about revamping my background a little bit with some of this stuff. First thing, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4. I thought I got 5. Damn it. 4 bouquets of these beautiful dark bloody red roses. Oh my god. With the black stems too. I mean, I want to get rid of those so bad right now because it has the green and like it's kind of clashing, and I don't like clashing colors, but during Halloween it's my favorite because they have the black stems. How pretty is that? The next ones, you guys, you're gonna die. You're gonna shit yourself and die. Wait, did I literally only get 3? Okay, I'm kind of furious right now because these ones were the ones that I was most excited about. Anyway, how gorgeous are these gray roses with black stems? I mean, this is just the most beautiful. It's gonna go so well with my backdrop. It's so pretty. I need to go back and get more now because, like, I mean, 3 is okay. That's a decent bouquet, but I think I want more. Next up, we have this cute little thing. Like, what am I gonna use this for? I don't know. But I just kind of needed to have it. It's like this little cork. How could you not buy this? The next thing that's kind of like decor related is a little tombstone. I mean, 99 cents for this. You know, at Joann's or like Michael's or like, you know, this would be more. This would cost way more. It's cute little skulls, some glitter. How can you not love that? All October and September long, I'm gonna have the cutest backdrop ever. Are you kidding me? Are you? Because this is a serious video. These cute little, I love coffee, and sometimes I like bringing, like, I make coffee at home, you know, because I never leave my house. But anyway, if I want to leave my house, or if I want to bring wine with me or coffee, I could just fill up one of these guys. So freaking cute. And the straws, I couldn't not get these. So cute. If you're looking at the straw and you're like, whoa, bitch, I just want the straw. I don't need the little milk jar thingy. I found the cutest little black and white straws. Oh, they're dirty. I'm so sorry. They don't have the little thing on the bottom of them, like a lot of the straws that come in like cups like this, and I'll link them below because they're super cute, and I'm obsessed. I got some cute little like black and white striped ones, and then I have some black and clear striped. It's just, I'm living my full like Tim Burton fantasy right now, and I love it. Okay, let's keep it going with the cups. I have a cup problem, okay? You cannot tell me that this isn't the cutest thing you've ever seen. It says, I'm here for the booze, and it has these adorable little ghosts, and they're glittery. I'm here for the booze? Like, if that isn't my slogan, like, all Halloween, like, then... Anyway, I love these little cups for water. I don't do the disposable water bottles anymore. Sure, you've noticed me drinking out of, like, this type of shit in my videos because I buy the big jugs of water and then I just use those cups because I'm home all the time and I don't need like disposable water bottles. So anyway, this is the cutest thing I've ever seen. I have like 4 more cups. I'll just show you right now. Hocus pocus, I need coffee to focus. You guys, I have coffee every morning, and I like to use like an actual mug instead of a plastic cup. You don't want to use plastic because it'll heat up and it can be toxic for you. Oh my god. Simply beautiful. Look at those little ghosts. And these are good all year round. This isn't like just a Halloween thing. Like, you can use cups. Magic potion. I don't know why, but I am addicted to Halloween cups. And then the last cup, I promise. Happy Halloween. I mean, how could you not want to drink your coffee or your pumpkin spice? I'm so excited. Let's move on to some makeup next. I was actually really surprised, like really surprised to see these little cute Halloween themed makeup palettes there. The little coffin packaging, and look at the colors in that. Cruelty free, designed in the USA. So I got the pirate palette, and then the Hocus Pocus palette, and then the vampire and ballerina palette. How cute. I did not expect them to actually have this adorable Halloween theme. I mean, the palette itself is not coffin shaped. Luckily, I've already tried these, so not only is this like the haul and the unboxing, but it's the review. And I hate to say it, but hang on. Jenny and I tried these in a full face using $99 store makeup, and so I already tried all those, and unfortunately I don't think they're super great. They are only 99 cents, so it's not like you're in for a huge waste of money. But yeah, there's two ways to look at it. If you want to try these colors and you don't want to invest a lot of money, then this would be good for you. But it's very hard to build up the colors. They're basically all transition shades, in my opinion. They appear to be pretty dark, but they're not. They're not. And that's that. They're only $1. Oh, I forgot a cup. How cute is this? You cannot tell me that this isn't the cutest thing you've ever seen. I mean, like, you could put wine in here, you could put soda in here, you could put just water, you could put juice. I mean, god damn it. Fuck, now it's stuck. I'm gonna need somebody to assist me with that later. Okay, so that's enough about the cups. Oh, I also want to mention something else about the cups. So they also had these there. Hopefully you can see it pretty well. It's a really cool skull mug. Really unique looking and cool, and I posted like pictures of, you know, this on Instagram, and people are always like, oh my god, where'd you get that? That's so cool. Like, where do I find that? The 99-cent store, you guys. You have to go for the cups. I've got this little pedestal, like cake thing. I don't know, but I couldn't resist. They had like some other colors, but I just think that this is gonna be, again, it's gonna be really cute for my backdrop. It's cheapy, plasticky, but it's really cool looking. So this isn't Halloween. It's not Halloween related, but I just have to, okay. I just have to show you guys this. Ta-da! I don't have any dry erase markers yet, but you can write on here with dry erase and you can make it say stuff, and oh my god, I'm gonna put it back there and I can change what's on it every single video. I'm just like, I'm over the moon with this. I think this was $2. They had a few other like light up things that were pretty cute for $2. I had to supply the batteries myself. I think it takes 3 AA's. And the thing kind of like started to break off, so I had to tape it. But are you kidding me? I wish I had a dry erase marker. Do I? Oh, I found a marker. I found a marker. As usual, everything that I think is a good idea is coming crashing down in an instant. I guess this marker is like really pigmented, like too pigmented for this, because it stained it now, so that was disappointing. Alright, moving on. The last and most important and most amazing and most exciting thing that I have to show you, you guys. I hope you're sitting down. I just realized that it's a mirror and it's going to reflect how horribly messy my life is. Anyway, look at this mirror. Okay, here, I'll show you this. Look at this freaking mirror, you guys. I got 2 so that I can put, I definitely am going to be putting one in my backdrop. This was not 99 cents. I'm pretty sure it was $5. It's hollow on the back. So it's nice and lightweight. You could literally hang it up with just a thumbtack. They had white ones and black ones, and there's something loose in there. I'm super excited. I just think it's absolutely beautiful, like the design, and I might put both of them in my backdrop. I might just do one, I don't know. So that's the haul. I love the 99-cent store Halloween section because it can feed into my shopping addiction and my Halloween decor addiction and not break the bank. Anyway, so hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Hopefully you had fun. Let me know if you like haul videos. I don't do a lot of like big shopping trips that much, but if I do and I have a bunch of stuff to show you and you guys enjoy it, then I will. And maybe I'll hit up the Dollar Tree too and see what kind of Halloween stuff they have, see if it's any good. Overall though, very pleased with the Halloween section at the 99-cent store this year. They've been stepping up their game. The mirror, I'm shook about it. The cups, so cute. Makeup, like later on you'll see me and Jenny trying out the makeup firsthand and we'll swatch it and do all that. So keep an eye out for the 99-cent store makeup challenge video. But yeah, other than that, I hope you guys enjoy the video. Hope you have a great day. I love you and I'll see you next time. Bye.